Hello doctors, welcome back to the Medico Tube. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. In today's video, we will be discussing in detail the upcoming counseling dates, the court cases that are currently going on, the latest notifications from different states, and the seat updates that have been officially announced so far. Just a short while ago, another state notification has been released, so we will also cover that in today's discussion. If you want every important NEET PG counseling update and cutoff detail to reach you first, make sure to subscribe to the Medico Tube and press the bell icon. As you know, the court matters related to NEET PG transparency and examination still ongoing, and the final decision has not been taken yet. The last hearing was held on 4th September before J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manmohan, but the matter has now been adjourned. The next tentative hearing date has been listed as 16th September. This date is extremely crucial because the petition is focused on the transparency of the NEET PG exam. The main concern raised by candidates is that even after the answer key was released, NBEMS did not publish the question paper, which has created doubt on how marks were awarded and how the final result was prepared. Many candidates have reported discrepancies ranging from 100 to even 250 marks, which is a very large margin and cannot be ignored. That is why this hearing is being closely watched by thousands of aspirants, because the outcome can directly impact the credibility of the exam as well as the counseling process. We will be tracking this case very closely, and as soon as any official order comes, you will find the update here first on the Medico Tube. Let us begin step by step with the counseling date. Today is 9th September, and we can say that we are only around 5 to 6 days away from the counseling process beginning. Now, this does not mean that counseling will definitely start on 15th, but it is highly possible that the official notification may arrive by 14th or 15th, and the counseling process may actually begin around 20th September. The All India counseling will begin first, then the state counseling will follow, then round 2 of All India, after that state round 2, and later All India round 3. Before round 3, there is also a strong possibility of a revised cutoff notice being published, which will help many candidates in planning their strategy. After this, there will be stray rounds, and in some cases, even a special stray round may be conducted if seats are left vacant, and in such rounds, many students end up getting good colleges and branches. However, candidates need to be very careful here, because after round 3 there is no option of upgradation, so if you wait until stray round hoping to get the same branch that closed in round 4 or 5 last year, you must be prepared for the risks. Many candidates who plan for next year's preparation without pressure usually go into stray or special stray rounds, but those who are depending completely on this year must decide wisely whether to wait until the end or secure their seats earlier. Doctors, your hard work deserves the right guidance. Subscribe to the Medico Tube today and stay ahead with the most authentic counseling updates and cutoff analysis. Coming to the seat updates, as you know, the government had earlier announced that around 8,000 seats would be increased. Out of these, 2,700 have already been added at the undergraduate level in round 2. This leaves about 5,300 seats pending. Even if we assume that another 1,000 seats are added in NEET UG round 3, there would still be around 4,000 to 4,500 seats remaining for postgraduate courses, and this will create a very positive impact on counseling. The cutoff will shift significantly, and many branches will be available at much later stages compared to last year. Usually, the trend we have seen is that most of the seat increments happen in round 1, then slightly fewer in round 2, and the least in round 3. This is why round 1 is always very crucial. Regarding the seat metrics, many candidates ask when it will be published. The seat metrics will only be released after the official counseling schedule is out and after all inspections are completed. Only then we will know the exact number of seats in each branch, whether MD, MS, DNB, diploma, or private institutions. Don't stress about counseling updates, that's our job. Just subscribe to the MedicoTube and relax, we'll keep you informed with every detail. Now let's discuss which state notifications have been released so far. Gujarat has already started registration, and the process is ongoing. Karnataka has released its brochure, but there is no update yet on registration dates. Karnataka is important because it offers government quota, open quota, management quota, and NRI quota, and in open quota, candidates from outside the state can also apply, though the fees can be higher, sometimes around 10 lakh per year for certain seats. Tamil Nadu has also released its notification, and registration has already started from today and will continue until 16th September. The registration fee is 500 rupees or 1000 rupees depending on the category, but this is only for registration and not for choice filling at this stage. Tamil Nadu is an open state, which means candidates from across India can apply. However, the tuition fees there are around 15.5 lakh per year, though the official announcement for this year is still awaited. Last year, security deposits were around 2 lakh for management quota and 1 lakh for government quota. NRI quota fees were about 26 lakh per annum, and Christian Medical College had around 1.6 lakh fees for all 3 years combined, though hidden charges and miscellaneous fees make the actual cost higher than it looks on paper. Therefore, students must keep in mind that the real expense can be much higher. Now, speaking of the ongoing court cases, the Supreme Court hearing regarding discrepancies has its next date scheduled for 16th September. We are hoping for some positive outcome, because many students are struggling with this issue and everyone is demanding transparency. Let's see what the court comments in the upcoming hearing. Regarding Uttar Pradesh, several private medical colleges have gone to court for fee hikes. These include colleges in Muzaffarnagar, NCR, Heritage, Venkateshwar, Saraswati, SKS, Sri Ram Murthy, and Kilometer, among others. Candidates should be careful because last year during round 3, some students reported that colleges forced them to sign additional bonds saying that if the case was won, they would have to pay as much as 30 lakh rupees extra. So before filling choices, make sure you confirm the fee structures properly, otherwise you might end up in a difficult position later. For accurate counseling information, verified cutoff data, and timely updates, subscribe to the MedicoTube, your trusted partner in the NEET PG journey. Apart from this, MCC NEET UG Round 2 counseling has been extended, but as explained earlier, this does not affect the PG counseling dates at all, so NEET PG counseling will proceed as scheduled. Tripura has also launched a new counseling website, trmcc.mission.nic.in, and more details will be available there soon. These are the major updates as of now regarding the counseling timeline, state notifications, seat increments, and court cases. Overall, the scenario looks positive with thousands of additional seats likely to be added, and the counseling process expected to begin around 20th September. Candidates should plan their strategy carefully, keep a close watch on official notices, and be mentally prepared for each round. That's all for today's update. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the MedicoTube for every NEET PG counseling update and cutoff analysis. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.